Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have got some stylish and comfortable winter hats to show you today from Furtalk. Alright, so first I have the Furtalk Slouchy Knit Beanie Cap. It's made of eco-friendly acrylic. This is a trendy, baggy, oversized style. It has a lot of stretch in the material so it can fit a variety of head sizes. As you can see, like this, you're not going to have to worry about, squeezing it on. It's pretty stretchy and very fashion forward. I have this in the gray, which I'm holding now, and the black. Let me take this out for you. Here's the black. These knit hats are azo-free. Azo dyes are colorants sometimes used in fabrics that can pose health risks, and all of the Furtalk hats you see here and what they sell are azo-free. After I'm done talking to you about these hats, I will try these on, so just stay tuned for the end for that. So here is the women's Slouch winter beanie with the Pom-Pom on top. I'm going to take this out for you. I love the colors that this comes in. That's another thing. All of these come in different colors. The colors you see here are not all of them. Now this does come with two pom-poms, as you can see. This one's very puffy. These pom-poms are actually kind of soft, so I'm very surprised. I've never actually had a pom-pom hat before, or one that I really liked, but these are definitely something I like. As you just saw, it's like a button, you just push them in and they are on. But this is the Slouch winter beanie. I really like the color of this one. It does stretch just like the other one. I'll put the other one to show you what it looks like. Now it does give you directions on the bag. It says, please use your hair dryer to blow on pom-pom with the hot air from a distance to let it restore its shape, and it will look as nice as it is on product description photos. So that's nice. They give you a cute little way to preserve and keep them up. The buckles are copper, so they will withstand a lot, and it's not going to just fall off, and they're not cheap. I really like these. They're very stylish. Now here we have one that is meant for, if you're just like me, you have a lot of hair, you want to put a hat on, but your ponytail, your hair gets stuck in it. This has a hole in the top for your ponytail. Pretty decent hole. I mean, I could fit my whole hand through it. So, depending on how thick your hair is, you're going to be fine. This is also very stretchy. I really like this one. I picked this out because I hate when I wear hats and they can't fit my hair. Stretchy. I really love how thick this is. The texture is great. It's like someone's mom just knitted this for me, Yeah, these are all really soft and thick, so while they're stylish and very fashion forward, you aren't going to get cold. So this is something I got as a gift for my nephew here. I'm going to put this in front. It's a kid's hat and scarf set. So here we have the little hat. I'm going to put the pom-pom on. Now this is a different way you put the pom-pom on from the other one. This has a safety pin at the bottom. So you just open that, and then we're going to put it on. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It does have the matching scarf set, which this is going to keep your little one warm. Also very fashion forward if you're the mom or the family that really likes to do the matching thing and stuff. This is a very cute set. That's why I got it. The hat and scarf are made of an eco-friendly acrylic that feels like Iceland yarn. They are made to be super, super warm and comfortable. All of these are. They're nice and thick. And they have a lot of stretch, especially these to fit kids from about 1 year old to 12. Now, if your kid does not like the pom-pom, you can of course remove it. I put it on to show you what it looks like. I'm going to keep it there. But removable, attachable, very versatile. And I do believe that this set in particular does come in a white, gray, and pink. So whether you have a son or your daughter, you can pick whatever one you like, especially for the holiday season. Alright, so we're going to put on our first one that we talked about. I know a lot of people love to use oversized beanies for, bad hair days and stuff like this. So we're going to put this on. I love how the elastic around the opening, once you put where you want it in place, it kind of stays there. So like I'm moving my head and it's not moving around. So let me see what I look like. If you want to see from the side. I like this hat. It's nice, comfortable. I know like my head's not going to get cold. Let me get the tags off of these. I forgot to do that. So let's do that real fast. Alright, so the next one we're going to try on is this one with the interchangeable beanies, or pom-poms. The area where you put the secure it on your head is very, very secure. So you really don't have to worry about that, about it falling off, because it fits really, really well. I really, really like this one too. I like the color. I have a black jacket and I prefer not to wear a black hat, Very comfortable, very warm. Alright, so the last one we have is the one where I can use a ponytail through it. So I'm going to put my hair up real fast and show you what it looks like. Alright, we're going to put this on. Alright, let me see what this looks like. Now this is a hat that I've been really looking forward to, because as you can see I have a lot of hair, but I don't want to always be cold when I have my hair up and always fiddle with somehow to wear a hat. So I really like this one. This is my favorite. Not saying I'm not going to use these. These are awesome as well. But if you have long hair like me, thick hair, braids, whatever it is, this is going to be one that during the winter can cover your ears and have your hair up at the same time. They're it's as if your grandma knit them and just for you. Here's the ponytail one in particular if you wanted to see how big the ponytail hole was, but of course that's stretchable, or very stretchy at least. So if you have thick braids, your hair is thick, you want to put it up in a bun, you have plenty of room to do so. Here's the knit beanie in black. Very, very soft, very stretchy. Each of them do have this little Furtalk band logo. It does not distract from the hat itself. I actually like it. If you want a closer look at how the beanie pom-pom comes off, here is the copper placement right there, and then your little stub to place right in, and yeah, meet and snap. Alright, so that's a look at these Furtalk hats we have here. Of course, if you check the description section below, click the link, there are going to be a lot more, many colors and varieties for you to choose from. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks for watching, guys.